Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm super duper excited to be unboxing this voxbox. This is from Influenster. It's a gift for my mom and has a really cute picture on the top that says just for you. Let's unbox. Inside here we have a get started pamphlet from Influencer, and usually they have 1 or 2 products, but this time they have 3. They have the foundation, the concealer, and a setting powder. Let's see. So here is the setting powder, which is in the shade Feathery, sheer light, medium. Then we have the foundation, which it is in the shade light medium, neutral olive 210. And we have this other K-Sauce product, which is the concealer, and it is in the shade 04N. So now let's open. First we're going to start off with the powder. Here's how the powder looks, and like that, it opens up and it looks really shiny. Second, we have the foundation, which you can open like this and put back. It looks really nice, and yeah. Then we have some concealer, and this concealer, you unscrew the cap to get the concealer, and all of these have the same theme of like yellow, and they are really nice looking products, so I think my mom would really like these. So basically, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification to always get our new videos. And do you like these products? Bye guys, bye.